Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this short video I am going to show you how you can use dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 18. So let's start video without wasting any of your time. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down below and find here wallpaper. Tap on wallpaper. Okay, now you need to tap on add new wallpaper. Okay, after that you need to scroll down below and find here iOS 18 wallpaper. Just select one of them. Okay, now you can see appears on screen, guys. Basically this is the dynamic wallpaper. Okay, it will automatically change the color and create your screen amazing. So if you want to add dynamic wallpaper, just tap on add. Okay, now you can see appears on screen set up wallpaper as set as wallpaper pair. Tap on that. Okay, so if your dynamic wallpaper not working, make sure your low power mode is turn off and also motion is turn off. To check that, open iPhone settings. Okay, tap on battery. Okay, now you can see up it, tap on battery. Okay, make sure your low power mode is turn off. Now go back, tap on accessibility. Okay, now you can see a person screen motion. Okay, make sure reduce motion is also turn off, and after that you can easily use dynamic wallpaper in your iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.